Okay, so I just received a package from Conjury. Don't mind my face. I'm not doing the look today, but she made me some nails, custom for a look. So I'm not gonna do the look today, but I am gonna do the look soon. But I wanted to show you guys. And I have to admit, I did open it. Couldn't wait. This is how it came. It's already been opened, so it's a bit easier, but it was secured pretty well. I could not get this open at first. So these are the nails. Oh my god, I love them. Look at that. And look at that little logo, Conjury. It's so witchy and I love it. Here is the Etsy store, Instagram, and the YouTube. Also comes with an instruction manual, which is really nice. And it comes with this. It is so cute. Everything that you need to prepare your nails. Here are the nails up close, and oh my god, they're gorgeous. She did so well. She really killed it. She really did. My baby came to say hi. Say hi, Jack. Oh man. So this is the little card it comes with. Oh, she does tarot and palm readings. I live. Okay, so these are all the things that it comes with. This is some nail glue, the little sticky pads, alcohol pads. This is nail cuticle oil, I'm guessing. Yes, this is called her crystal cuticle oil. God, the branding is just on point. It is just on point. I mean, honestly, I have to get more from her. Like, look at this. How could you not be in love? Thank you so much, Jade Crystal. I mean, this was a great experience, and you were lovely to work with. So I will be back.